Luxury living in Zachary. 2119 Dovefield Avenue, 5-bedroom, 3-bath, built 2020. Step into a home where modern design meets effortless comfort. This 2020 built beauty in the sought-after Meadow View community offers a sprawling 3,168 square feet. Floor plan designed for the way you live today. At the heart of the home, a chef-inspired kitchen flows seamlessly into the light-filled den and a specialized keeping room, making it the ultimate hub for hosting. The first-floor primary suite serves as a true sanctuary, while the second level expands your possibilities with a massive loft/media room, perfect for a home cinema or executive office. Located in the #1 ranked Zachary Community School District, this is more than a home, it's an investment in your lifestyle.